make a bag for me, a small one for my doll. I really want it.
Hello, welcome back to Crochet and Craft. Today I am going to show you how to do a miniature crochet backpack. I am doing this for my daughter's request. First create a magic ring, and around the magic ring you have to make 8 single crochet. After finishing my 8 single crochet, you have to join this into the first stitch. Now cut the yarn. I have made 14 base. Now I am moving to my next row. For next row I am using pink yarn here. You can insert your hook anywhere in the previous row. For the next row I am going to do some cluster stitches to make petals. For this, first make 3 chains, yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull through the yarn. Now pull through the yarn into 2 loops. Now again yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull through the yarn into 2 loops. I have 4 loops in my hook, so pull through the yarn all over the loops. Now chain 2. Now yarn over the hook and insert the hook into the next stitch. Continue the cluster stitch all the way around. Each cluster is a 4 double crochet cluster, but in my first one 3 chain is counted as the first one. So in first one I have made 3 double crochet cluster. At the last you're gonna have 8 petals. Now make chain 2. At the end we are gonna slip stitch into the top of that chain 3 that we did initially. Now cut the yarn. I have 14 flowers here for my project. Now I will move to the next step. For the next step, one of those chain 2 spaces I will attach the white color yarn. After attaching, we are going to chain 5, and then I need to do 3 double crochet in the same stitch. Again make 3 double crochet into next chain space. Now in next chain space again make 3 double crochet. After making 3 double crochet, make 2 chains and make 3 double crochet again into the same chain space, into the same stitch. This is our corner of the square. Repeat this process into the remaining 2 chain space. In last, where I have started making my 5 chains, in this chain space I am going to make 2 double crochet more and then make slip stitch after 3 chains, because this 3 chains is our 1 double crochet and remaining 2 chains is our 2 chains. Now cut the yarn. I have made 14 mini granny square for my project. I have joined 4 granny square for front, 4 granny square for back, and the remaining 6 are my sides and the bottom. This is the pattern like this. Now join this together with slip stitch. I have completed half of my project, but the length is little bit low, that's why I am doing some single crochet around my back sides, my back upper side, and then I will make the cover of this bag. Now make single crochet around this. Now I am going to make the cover of this backpack. So I am starting with the corner. I have already added some height to the bag according to my daughter's wish. For making the cover, I am attaching the white yarn again and then make 3 chains, and then make 3 double crochet. After making 3 double crochet into the next chain space, I have to make double crochet around all the chains and except the corner. In the corner only you have to make 3 double crochet, 3 chain, and again 3 double crochet into the same chain space. These two chain space I have made earlier in this video. So repeat this process until the end. In the previous corner where I have started, I will make 3 double crochets and 3 chains, and then slip stitch into the first chains, first 3 chains. Then again make 3 chains and then 2 double crochet, and into the next chain space make a double crochet, 1 double crochet in 1 chain space except the corner. You have to repeat this process until you get your desired width and length. So I have made 3 of these to get my desired length and width. I have also made a back strap. Now I am going to attach all this into the bag. You can join this through a hook or with a needle. I am attaching this lead with a slip stitch with the crochet hook. You can sew also with needle. Now I am going to join the backpack strap by needle. Just sew it. I have made this eye cord earlier. Now I am going to attach it with the bag. My backpack is now ready. Join this also with needle. Now let's see my daughter is like it or not.
Mommy, thank you. This bag is so beautiful. It really fits well in my bag. Thank you.
Welcome, my sweetie.